Facebook. Oh, Facebook. That's just a place where you can post stuff, talk to friends, chat. They part of Instagram too. Take pictures and stuff. And what else? Yeah, you can talk to people. Did I say chat with people? What's the name? Mark Zuckerberg. Great person, Mark Zuckerberg. He made Facebook 2003, I think. 2004. Yeah, but came out 2004. And they made a movie off it and stuff. And yeah, you should look at it. It's inspirational. Yes.